Hi guys, welcome to this channel. In this video I will show you how you can claim a $5,000 free funded account that you can use to start trading with. And also at the end of this video I will show you how you can make withdrawals. I will tell you the terms and conditions applied in making withdrawals. So make sure you follow me to the end of this video so you don't miss out on the details and updates that I'll be giving you concerning this account. To get the link to this account, all you have to do is just click on the link that is the description of this video to take you to my Telegram channel. The first thing you need to do is to click on join. Then you can go ahead and get the link to the platform. So once you click on the link, it will bring you right to this part here. Before I continue, if you know this is the first time of you coming across this channel, make sure you like, you share, you comment, and you subscribe to this channel so you don't miss out on updates that will be dropping on this channel, because I drop videos on Forex no deposit bonus, crypto talks, how you can make money online in 2025, and also profits. For those of us that don't have an account with them, all you have to do is just click on register right here to open an account with them. And for those of us that are already familiar with Crystal, all you have to do is just log into your details here. This is me after logging into my account. So all you have to do next is just click on the dashboard right here. Then you scroll down. All you'll be doing is just go to pop trading right here, as you can see showing on the screen. Then after that you'll be clicking on create new right here. And after clicking on create new, you take this one away. Then as you can see shown on the screen, we have different prop firm that we can use to start trading with. And here we have, you can see the price here. This prop firm are not for free, so for us to get the one that is for free, all you have to do is just scroll down, down, and here we have the 5k prop firm that we can use to start trading with. And as you can see, the balance here is showing $0. We don't have to pay a dime for us to get this particular account. So the next thing you want to do now is to click on select right here. Then after that you click on pay, and for us to know the terms and conditions applied in making withdrawals and for this particular account, all you have to do is just click on trading rules of this challenge right here. Clicking on it, just patiently read the following rules, then you'll be able to make withdrawals from this account. So after that, all you have to do is just click on pay right here. So this is me after I successfully got in the account. So the next thing I'll be doing is to click on go to account right here, and as you can see, you click on go to terminal. You can go ahead and place your trade on any pairs that you want to trade. Click on chart right here, and as you can see, you can start trading on this platform. And here is my balance. As you can see, I have $1,000 free funded account that I can use to start trading with profit. And as for the terms and conditions, the minimum days you can use to trade is 3 days, and the maximum days is 365 days. Your profit target is $500. That's you have to get a profit target of $500 before you can make withdrawals, and the maximum loss you can make while trading is $200. Don't forget all these rules so that you can be able to withdraw. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and most importantly, you subscribe and turn on your notification button so you don't miss out on updates and videos that will be dropping often on this channel.